Assalamu alaikum. Previously, I created an authentication system based on the role access, but that one doesn't support permissions. So that's why I redesigned a new comprehensive database for an authentication system that support permissions. So now I'm going to jump right away to the demo of this application that supports or uses this database. So this is the application. I'm going to start with the client or with the rule of client. So I'm going to create a new brand user. Let me assign it like a client underscore test. I'm going to assign a random password, register this. Okay, login. So as you see here, rule is client. Now I'm going to jump to my database and I'm going to run this query, which is also supported to my portfolio. Here it is. So I'm going to pass this one here to see all the users. So as you see here, the last user that we created, which is client test, as you see here, with the role of the client and the permission assigned to it. And of course, we could map the permissions that we need to map to a specific client, but I keep the client with no permissions, like has its only the rule, only based on its rule. Now we're going to test what next in this application. So I'm going to log out and go with admin. So let me just refresh this page to make it. Okay, admin, login. So I'm going now to jump to employees. So let me fetch employees. Here are the employees. Okay, now we're going to create a new brand employee. As you see here on the storage, the role, it is admin. So now I'm going to create a new employee. I'll go with employee underscore test and create this new brand employee and assign to it some of these rules. So I'm going to go with manage products and manage packages, and for instance manage clients. So I'm going to create this employee. The employee test created successfully. I'm going to jump to the database and run the same query to see the permission that assigned to that employee. As you see here, employee underscore test has the role of employee, and he has the rule, the permissions, manage clients, manage packages, and manage products. Of course, those are not saved like this, but indeed they are in separable tables as mentioned in this database. That's it. So we could now just log out and test with this employee, log in with that employee. So I'm going to log in now with that employee, log in, and as you see here, the role, it is employee. And thank you.